Study Grip Gateway to Digital Knowledge.
Dear students, today we learn about very important topic of chemistry, concept of mole. Atom is extremely small particle in size and mass, so it is impossible to weight an atom or even small number of atoms directly. Due to this reason we express atomic mass in atomic mass unit. For convenience, atomic mass may be given in any unit like gram, kilogram, pounds, ounces etc. When we express mass of substance in grams, mole concept is developed. Let's take some examples. Gram atom or gram mole. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 mole of hydrogen or 1 gram atom of hydrogen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 mole of carbon or 1 gram atom of carbon. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 mole of oxygen or 1 gram atom of oxygen. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 mole of magnesium or 1 gram atom of magnesium. Atomic mass of uranium is 238 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 mole of uranium or 1 gram atom of uranium. So, gram atom can be defined as the atomic mass of element expressed in grams is called gram atom. It is also known as gram mole or simply mole. Number of gram atom of element is equal to mass of element divided by atomic mass of element. Gram molecule or gram mole. Molecular mass of hydrogen gas is 2.016 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram molecule of hydrogen gas or 1 mole of hydrogen gas. Molecular mass of oxygen gas is 32 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram molecule of oxygen gas or 1 mole of oxygen gas. Molecular mass of water is 18 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram molecule of water or 1 mole of water. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram molecule of sulfuric acid or 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Molecular mass of sucrose is 342 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram molecule of sucrose or 1 mole of sucrose molecule. So, gram molecule can be defined as the molecular mass of molecular substance expressed in grams is called gram molecule. It is also known as gram mole or simply mole of the substance. Number of gram molecule of molecular substance is equal to mass of molecular substance divided by molecular mass of substance. Gram ion. Ionic mass of hydroxyl ion is 17 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram ion or 1 mole of hydroxyl ion. Ionic mass of carbonate ion is 60 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram ion or 1 mole of carbonate ion. Ionic mass of sulfate ion is 96 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram ion or 1 mole of sulfate ion. So, gram ion can be defined as the ionic mass of ionic species expressed in grams is known as 1 gram of ion or 1 mole of the ion. Number of gram ion is equal to mass of ionic species divided by ionic mass. Gram formula mass. Formula mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram formula or 1 mole of sodium chloride. Formula mass of sodium carbonate is 106 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram formula or 1 mole of sodium carbonate. Formula mass of silver nitrate is 170 amu, when expressed in gram, called 1 gram formula or 1 mole of silver nitrate. So, gram formula can be defined as the formula mass of ionic compound expressed in grams is known as 1 gram formula or 1 mole of the ionic substance. Number of gram formula is equal to mass of ionic substance divided by formula mass of ionic substance. So a comprehensive definition of mole is the atomic mass, molecular mass, ionic mass, formula mass, molar mass, expressed in grams is known as 1 mole. Dear students, in this way, Molecular mass of water is 18 gram. So 18 gram of water is equal to 1 mole of water. 9 gram of water is equal to half mole of water, and 36 gram of water is equal to 2 mole of water. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe Study Grip YouTube channel.